Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to learn 5 new English words related to nature. These words will help you describe the beauty of the world around you. Ready? Let's go. The first word is breeze, which means a gentle wind. Listen and repeat. Breeze. Great job. Example. The cool breeze felt refreshing on a hot day. Let's say it one more time. Breeze. The second word is forest, which is a large area covered with trees. Listen and repeat. Forest. Awesome. Example. We went hiking through a dense forest. Repeat it with me. Forest. The third word is mountain, which is a large, steep hill that rises above the surrounding land. I'll say it, and you repeat. Mountain. Well done. Example. The mountain peaks were covered in snow. Say it again. Mountain. The fourth word is ocean, which is a vast body of saltwater. Let's say it together. Ocean. Excellent. Example. They spent the day swimming in the ocean. One more time. Ocean. The last word for today is wildlife, which refers to animals living in their natural habitat. Listen and repeat. Wildlife. Great. Example. The park is home to a wide variety of wildlife. Let's repeat it. Wildlife. Fantastic. Now that you've learned these nature-related words, try to use them the next time you're talking about the outdoors. If you liked this video, hit the like button and let us know your favorite word in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.